In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to beg. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. And linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you slang. What is slang? How slang is different from standard variety of a language. What are some practical examples of slang? Listeners and audience, slang refers to a non-standard variety of a language. It is an informal variety of language. Slang are words which are informal and non-standard. Such words are used by friends, young adults, and even children. Listeners and audience, in order to know about slang, there are some platforms which can help you to understand slang words. Like some sources and platforms of slang include social media. Like in social media, we have Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, TV show, music, film, and movie. All these are the examples of slang words and also slang sources. Now, the question arises that what are some examples of slang words? Some examples of slang words in English are, first of all, let me provide one example. For example, in English, when I say it is the party will be a kid, this party will be a kid. So here, kid is slang word. It is informal word. The party will be a kid means the party will be a fun. The party will be exciting. Another example is high key. When I say, I think the exam will be a high key. High key means obviously a stress. So high key here means obviously the examination will be a high key stress for me. So the examination will obviously or openly a stress for me.